Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dance with Paul. Today we have a guest, Larissa Mikrikova. She's a professional rhythm dancer. The topic of our video will be today dance positions in different dances. Tango, waltz, swing, rumba, cha-cha,
Salsa.
salsa. That's right. She's helping me. Yeah! We have three dance holds to dance American rumba. The first one is closed frame. Second one hand touch. The third one without hands. But that's if you feel much more comfortable and going to improve your dancing skills. So just slow, quick, slow. That's the most difficult, of course. I'm going to show you first. Now one hand hold, quick, slow, quick, slow. And now frame, closed position, quick, slow, quick, slow. In cha-cha, we're going to use exactly the same dance holds, just is a bit different steps. 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha. 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 2, 3, cha cha cha.
Now a few words about swing. So swing, we're using like more casual dance position. It's mean this hand we're not gonna hold like in rumba, right? So like this. So we're going to change it a little bit, hand hold to hips level.
On the waist level.
Yeah. So it became more casual, simple.
So we're going to show you again three alternatives dance positions in swing. So let's start. Ta 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 ta. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second one is again one. The second one is one hand hold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, we can turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then no hand. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So bachata, salsa, all those social dancing came from American rhythm style, right? So where the dance position became even closer than rumba.
Almost like a hug.
Yeah.
Like in a nightclub or dance club, you know, the guys like to hug the girl. So
That's
the
what
bachata,
for.
bachata would be the first dance to start with for the guys if you go for any dance school. Okay, so we have as close as possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is you do when you get more comfortable. But actually also you can have a one hand dance hold. No hand dance hold, as Larissa decided. Together we can turn. So you can mix it up. As you notice in all Latin American dances, we have three dance holds. Normal, like close, one hand hold, no hand hold. And the difference is again in bachata, which is super close, almost like hugging your lady or man. All right, guys, we're not gonna go on deep in details, but very casual frame. We can have closer connection, our right side to the right side with the center in. We can feel a little bit tighter. We have three different distance between each other. That far, medium distance, and very close distance. Of course, we can hold our arm higher, lower, or completely like that.
Be able to follow your dance partner, ladies. You're supposed to create sort of resistance. You don't want your arms to be relaxed completely, especially if he is going forward, you need to be able to move with him. Yeah. And let's show the difference. Let's say if I'm not going to create this resistance, what's going to happen?
Same thing from the men's side. Like I can't start to move like that. I have to give her a little, my weight of my arms.
If you don't have the resistance, that's what's going to happen. It's like boom, we will bump to each other instead of move together.
Yeah. Tango is going to be very, from my opinion, very different dance frame as opposed waltz.
Yeah, because actually the difference, it's used to be Latin dance.
Now we made it to be like a ballroom dance. Now,
Yeah.
in tango, the biggest difference that I place my hand not under the shoulder blade, I will place deeper in the middle of her spine. So she have a chance to put her elbow on top of my elbow and put her wrist under my shoulder. So this is the main huge difference. And we're going to lower to each other more and get closer in connection. So long time ago, they used to dance like that. So the deeper I put my hand, and then I put it here. So this was before the tango. Of course, nowadays it's the same. The only difference, we're gonna put higher our arm, and then we're gonna make the arm a little bit more elbow. And I mean, we'll rise the elbow higher than in waltz. That's the difference of frame between tango and waltz. Today we broke down basically the main differences in dance holds in our dancing between waltz, tango, swing, cha-cha, rumba, bachata.
So we hope it was helpful.
If you have any questions, please comment down below. And don't forget, share with your friends because they might find it very, very helpful. Thanks for watching.